So hello students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about tools. Okay, is an endogenous system of education. Okay, so let's continue the class. So here your focus question is that you may just write down some notes actually, like explain tools as an endogenous system of education for 6 or 4 marks. Okay, so within this actually you will sometimes need to actually note down some small content or small topics which is actually specify some major points regarding tools, and maybe those topics or things will come into your examination. Okay, so I think you are all are ready to learn the tools. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, so here one point, this first point is written: tools are the institution of higher education of the Hindus in ancient India. Okay, so our first target point is it is for Hindus. Okay, so tools are the institution of higher education. Tools are the institution for higher education, okay, of the Hindus. Okay, so this is our first target point. Okay, next, tools are also called Chatuspatis. So another name of tools is Chatuspatis. Okay, so tools are the institution of higher education of the Hindu people in ancient India, and it is also known as Chatuspatis, or another name of these tools is Chatuspatis. Okay, and the tools are centers of Sanskrit learning and culture. Okay, so it is about Sanskrit learning and culture. Okay students, I think you do not have any doubt with this. Okay, so next it is the method of teaching or instruction in tools was Sanskrit. So the method of teaching in the tools was Sanskrit. So keep this. Okay, so this is about the method of teaching. Okay, so now next point, it is tools were attached to temples in almost all places of India. So tools are mainly attached to temples in almost all places of India. Okay, so it is attached with temples. So this is your main focus. Okay, it is your major point. Okay, okay, so let's proceed to the next, that is tools were established to spread knowledge of Sanskrit all over India. So main work or main activity of the tools were to spread Sanskrit knowledge in all over the world or all over the India. Okay, so this is also a focus point. Okay, so tools were established to spread knowledge of Sanskrit all over India. Okay, spread knowledge of Sanskrit. Okay, okay, so these institutions usually impart instruction in Vedas and religious sculptures. Okay, so under tools, Vedas and religious sculptures were actually imparted to the students for their actually knowledge. Okay, so I also might give focus on the Vedas as well as religious scriptures, because in this institution Vedas and religious scriptures are take the main place to provide knowledge to the students. Okay, so next, that is administrative and organizational setup of the tools was under complete control of the teacher. Okay, so everything managed, complete, everything was controlled by the teacher. Okay, so you can see that the tools are actually controlled by the teacher or managed by the teachers. Okay, the next our point, that is teachers in the tools were learned and scholar of the subjects imparted in tools. Okay, teachers in the tools were learned and scholar of the subject imparted in tools. So teachers are the main person who actually provide the students ideas of learning and define subjects to provide to the students regarding the idea of life, regarding many things, regarding religious scriptures, etc, etc. Okay, so teachers in the tools were learned and scholars of the subjects imparted in tools. So those subjects actually taught in the tools, teachers are the main person who have perfect idea about those subjects, because they are the actually those subjects are actually learned by the teachers already, and already they are a scholar of those subjects. Okay, so next, that is the famous Sanskrit tools in ancient India were found in Banaras, Kashi, Mathura, Mithila, Ujjain, Nadia, Haridwar, etc. So in these places the ancient tools was found. Okay, Okay, so let's proceed to the next. That is, the students from far and wide get admission in these tools. So different from different areas, students will come to the tools to get admitted. Okay, so after completion of study, they were qualified to become teachers. So after completion of their study in tools, they are qualified as teachers. Okay, they are were free fooding and lodging for the students in tools. So the fooding and lodging facility in the tools were free for the students. Okay, so keep these things. Okay, so next, that is, tools receive financial and land grant from rulers and other opulent person of the society for the maintenance of the teachers and the pupils of the tools. Okay, to maintain all the financial activities in the tools will receive financial grants from the rulers of the village areas, or they take the land grant from the rulers of the village areas or specific areas. And all the so very rich person, opulent person means the rich person of the actually locality or society, they get the financial assistance. Okay, so you can write for anything with these points. Okay, you can, I think you get all the ideas regarding the tools. So let's proceed the next. Okay, so here the main topic, that is philosophy, Purana, astrology, history, logic, law, Vyakaran, art, mathematics, science, music, poetry, etc. were included in the curriculum of tools along with Vedas and religious scriptures. We already told you, actually I already told you that Vedas and religious scriptures are a part of the curriculum of these tools. But along with Vedas and religious scriptures, philosophy, Purana, astrology, history, logic, law, Vyakaran, art, mathematics, science, music, poetry, etc. were included in the curriculum of tools. Okay, some pandits used to run tools in their own houses. Okay, some pandits were used to run the tools in their own houses. Some test huts. Test huts means actually the houses was built by grass, dry grasses, etc. Because in our instead we already actually look after different types of those types of houses. Okay, so huts were built round in the school building to accommodate the students. Okay, so only 25 students were get generally enrolled in the tools. For one time only 25 enrolled in the tools. Okay, and the duration of the course in the tools was about 8 to 12 years. Okay, 8 to 12 years. Okay, next, that is, the number of students admitted was very limited in order that the teacher may give individual attention to them. Because of that, the teachers need to give individual attention to the students. Therefore, the number of students admitted in the tools was very low. Okay, so next, that is, tools have been able to preserve and transform cultural heritage and community characteristics of the Hindu society throughout the age. Okay, so tools have been able to preserve and transform the cultural heritage and community characteristics of the Hindu society throughout the age. Okay, so for future or for making history with the ideologies, cultural heritage or community characteristics, the tools actually preserve and transform those cultural heritage and community characteristics of the Hindu people throughout different ages. Okay, so next, that is, tools impart education only up to the higher caste of the society. So it is a very important point. Okay, only higher caste of the society get education in the tools. Okay, it was mainly confined to Brahmins, Kshatriya and Kalda. So these people actually get the education in the tools. So this is all about tools. Okay, so I think you do not have any doubt with these points. Okay, so just focus on this. So tools is for higher education. Okay, yeah, for Hindu students. Okay, so actually then Sanskrit was the main aim or main method of teaching. Okay, and tools were attached with temples. Okay, and Vedas and religious scripture were main points or main subjects included actually taught by the teachers in the tools. Okay, so Banaras, Kashi, Mathura, Mithila, Ujjain, Nadia, Haridwar, these are some specific and very popular institution in India. Okay, for tools, the students actually get free fooding and lodging facility in the tools. Okay, and the funds provided by the rulers and opulent person or very rich person of the society. Okay, philosophy, Puran, astrology, history, logic, law, Vyakon, art, medicine, science, etc. are included in the curriculum. Okay, and so thank you students, and very few students actually enroll in the tools. So the duration of the course is 8 to 12 years. Okay, then only higher caste of the society people, higher caste people of the society get admitted in the tools. So this is all about tools. So thank you students. If you have any doubt regarding this content, this topic, then you can ask me without having any hesitation. So till that, thank you.